Hello, Igbo people. Apparently, ife anyị niile na-aba into contention. O tegokwa ntị were mkpu. For a long time, I have been crying that even our name, one of our most important assets, our national name, is being toyed with. I mean the name, the word Igbo. I came into this world, met Hausa, met Fulani, met Igbo, met Yoruba. What I'm seeing today is Ndibo. But I'm not going to run away from a responsibility. A job I must do, I will never leave them for those that will come after me to do. And I'm happy that in the group I work with, or I work in, or men and defenders, there are many people that think like me. We will keep on defending Igbo interests. Because Igbo interests don't really go against the interest of any other group. I mean, the real Igbo interests don't go against the interest of any other group. We are a harmless people. Our real interests, I repeat, don't infringe on the interest of any other group. We stand for Onyebiri, Ibe Ebiri. So we are digging into this question of who are we? What is our name? What is the meaning of our name, Igbo? Every nation or most nations that I know of get their names from the names of ancestors. Rome got its name from Remus and Romulus. The Hausa people are children of Bayajida. Bayajida is derived from Baghdad, where their oral traditions say they came from. The English people are from the Anglos. The French people, that is France, got its name from the Franks. The Yoruba, from what I read, Yoruba scholars may know better than me. They say the name has something to do with ancestors that we are called Yoruba. Igbos, a good researcher, starts from the known to the unknown. Most of our republics or clans or obodo, as we call them in Igbo, are named after ancestors. The name Nnewi is related to the name of an ancestress. The name Obolo is related to an ancestor. The word or term or name Igbo is the direct cognomen of the most important ancestor of the Igbo people. That was Abraham, the Hebrew. Hebrew is English for the term Igbo. Because we have Ndintike, I'll repeat what I have been writing about and talking about since the past 20 years and what somebody like Olaude Equiano discussed 200 years before me. What old end up discussed nearly 200 years before me in the West Indies. Igbo people are descendants of Abraham the Hebrew through his grandson Jacob. Because we have Ndinti, I will support what I'm saying with an example that even the deaf, the blind, and the dumb will not dispute. The greatest descendant of Abraham, Moses, received a religion and culture at Mount Sinai from God. God called that religion and culture Menana, the things you will do in the land. And inside that religion and culture, there are unique traditions that only people who were at that Mount Sinai embodied in the bodies of their ancestors practice in the world today. I will give a critical example that even Ndinti Kendi Igbo will not be able to fight. The Igbos mourn miscreants alive. Hana akwa mmadụ na ndụ. It is not in the Bible. And instructively, the Jews are another people who were at Mount Sinai in the bodies of the ancestors who were there. The Samaritans do the same thing. Your neighbors in Nigeria don't do it. They celebrate when they lose people. So they don't even mourn. And when you don't mourn, you would not even mourn anybody alive. So Igbo people, the name Igbo is the cognomen of Abraham. His cognomen was Abraham the Igbo. I'm pronouncing it in the Igbo language now, but if you want to use English all through, it is Abraham the Hebrew. It is very important that I say this, that I do this video that I'm doing. Because if you don't know your name, you will not know who you are. And if you don't know who you are, you will keep on making mistakes. You will keep on doing things you will not do. You will keep on making costly mistakes. And most of my compatriots will not like me for saying what I'm going to say now, but for their own good and for my good, I will say it. We have made costly mistakes and we have paid major prices. We don't need to make more mistakes in our existence again. Our name is Igbo. Our name is Igbo. Our name is Igbo. 50 years ago, some people rendered it Igbo. 100 years ago, some people rendered it Ebo. Some people rendered it all derivatives of Igbo. So, brothers and sisters, this is a national asset. Let us protect it the way we protect our personal assets. If the Igbo nation becomes healthy, every Igbo person will be healthy. Thank you.